Hello children, today we're going to practice the sound and some phraseful words. Before that, I'd like you to write some of the sounds that we know. Can you write the sound ng? It's this one. Did you remember it? Can you write the sound a T and an H? Can you write the sound sh? It's an S and an H. Can you write the sound ow? An O and a W. Now write the sound oi. It's an O and an I. Can you write the sound air? That's got 3 letters. It's a trigraph. Air. Ready? An A, an I and an R. What about the sound or? An O and an R. Can you remember the sound O? It's an O and an A. And what about the sound E? There you are, it's 2 E's. Today's sound is U. But what do I have in my house that has the U sound? I've got a hook and from the shed some wood and a book. But what does the sound look like? It's this one with 2 O's, and on the back there's a rhyme. It says, look at a book. Now let's try some reading. Brook. A brook is a small stream. Woods. Crook. A crook is someone who breaks the law, like a robber. Look, looking. Stairs. Stork. A stork is a kind of bird. Went. Soft. ook, cook, ing, cooking.
How much is that dog in the window? Woof woof, the one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale.
What have you been cooking, Space Dog? Some soup? Can I try? Children, are you ready now to do some writing? Get your pencils and papers ready. Can you write, the crook went to jail? The crook went to jail. The crook went to jail. J-A-L. The crook went to jail. Can you write fishing in the brook? Fishing in the brook. Fishing. Ing. In. The brook. Brook. Fishing in the brook. Can you write, the woods are dark and spooky? The woods are dark and spooky. The woods are dark and spooky. Spooky. The woods are dark and spooky. How did you do, children? Well, I hope you have a nice day, whatever you're doing. Me and Space Dog are going to go and make some cakes. Take care now. Goodbye.